My background is a cocktail waitress, and I was actually doing my cert for Pilates. This water has changed my life after cancer came into my life. I woke up with a tumor in the right side of my neck at 29 years old. I was a trainer, so I thought I was healthy, best shape of my life. Internal health has nothing to do with external health, just so you guys know. So I woke up with a tumor. I started doing natural treatments, and my natural treatments were doing very well. I had been talked into doing stem cell. It metastasized me and spread my cancer. And then I had to go through chemotherapy. And after that, I had to go through immunotherapy. So I've had to go through 2 different types of chemicals into my body. I was left with every single issue, the aftermath of chemo. In the aftermath of immunotherapy, I had migraines, brain fog, stomach aches, headaches. I couldn't even digest food or go to the bathroom. So I had a lot of different issues. I had tingling in my legs and my feet, to the point where I couldn't stand up without sitting back down because I couldn't feel my feet. So everything changed when this water came to my life about 6 months ago. I started drinking the water. I drank a gallon. I had 3 gallons dropped to me from TAM, and I drank a gallon of water, and I started feeling better. My brain fog started lifting a little bit. So I started drinking more water and drank the first gallon, and I was able to go to the bathroom, and the brain fog was going away and my stomach aches were going away. So every single day within a 2-week period, everything started changing and everything started going away. And it made me feel like me again. I could work out again. I could work out every single day. I didn't have these pains and suffering from what I experienced for 4 years of going through treatments and like racing for a cure. Basically, that's what I was doing. I was racing for a cure, and now I'm racing for freedom and helping other people. So it's just been really amazing to what this has done for me and my life.